Alright everyone, here we are with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of the video. I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors that are all looking to learn and grow together. And today, I managed to find 3 home run opportunities, all going beyond 20% plus at their highest point of possibility. And that's something you can become part of too. And we look forward to having you join us. So here we are with WISH Stock, WISH Stock, ContextLogic Inc. So WISH Stock has had a 2-day run, right? I talked about yesterday if this could be a bull trap, and now it got rejected a little bit below where it's been rejected the last several times. It goes up to the $10 mark, right? 2 times it's been rejected there, and that is 10.35, and today it reached about 10.14. So 10.35 is a significant resistance level for this to actually start that staircase effect and reach new resistance levels to continue the momentum. I think it's key right now to watch this carefully and be aware of this. So these are resistance levels right now to keep in mind. And then we're going to talk about our supports. I've talked about the lowest point that we've seen recently, which is down here at the 880s, 850. And if it breaks through 850, how this reacts between 850 and $8. Now, it has ran up pretty big, and I still have that question mark. Is this another bull trap? Okay, that's my big question mark, because we saw it here. We saw it right here. We've even seen it here and at this consolidation period here and here. So all it's done is continue to go lower, and it creates these bull traps and falls right back down. Now the question is this bull trap going to bring it right back down to the 8s or bring it right down to newer lows? That's the big question mark. And I've asked this question to you guys before. Now that it's had a 2-day run, do you think it has to cool off? Not a bull trap scenario, but cool off just a bit. Or do you think this is going to go back into another bull trap scenario like we saw right here, and then have a fall and possibly even break through newer lows? I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. But right now, the most important resistance level before worrying about anywhere higher is right here at 10.13. The bulls definitely want to turn that into a support to continue reaching newer highs and getting deeper into bullish territory. Now, the first support level I would watch is right here at 987, but that's super close. And if it gets broken through, the next point of reference I would watch is down here at 956 to see how it reacts within these 2 areas and see if the bulls try to reappear and bring it back up. But if it continues to pull downwards and get deeper into bearish territory, the next support level I would watch is right here at 940. I'll just round that up to 940. And then down here, the lowest point in the aftermarket hours before the pre-market run and the full day run is down here at 921. You want to dissect this chart as much as possible at these levels to see who's dominating through these current levels and if it continues to break through them or pull away from them. So it's going to be important. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with a friend so they can receive the insight as well. And all I ask for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time. I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord that you won't want to miss. There's opportunities every single day. I want to share them with you guys, and this is something you can become part of if you want to get the live updates. The link to the Discord is down below in the description, and we look forward to having you join us. Stay tuned. So the ticker symbol I have to share with you guys today is one that I've talked about before, and we're going to look at it in just a moment. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together through the volatility of the market, consistently looking for opportunities. And this is something you can become part of too. And we look forward to having you join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. So here we are with INFI, GRVI, and SPRT. All three of them, we went 3 for 3, gave 20% plus at their highest points. And let's go ahead and look at these two stocks that performed beyond 20% plus in just 30 minutes. So INFI started to push upwards, pulled downwards after the bell, and took off to a highest point of 25% plus. And GRVI was sitting sideways towards the bell and took off for 20% plus as well. This was a phenomenal way to start off in a red day when the Federal Reserve was going to speak and the uncertainty. And the other stock that performed pretty well, and it's still pushing, was SPRT. And here we are with it. You could see it here on the screen. And this stock turns out to pull downwards, right? That's why that instant gratification expectation is not good. You always want to pay close attention to the behavior of the stock, but there's always opportunities, right? So on the first pullback, it dipped down to 763 and jumped up to 838, giving about a 5 to 10% jump, nearly around 8%. And then it pulled back down to 729 and ran up to 870. And if you do the math right there, that right there alone was about 20% plus. It kind of consolidated and ran up again all the way up to the 9s. So this gave already about a 20 to 30% plus jump. And this is what it's all about. This is something you can join me and the other members on over at the Discord. And we look forward to having you join us. And let's go ahead and talk about the stock you want to add to your watch list. Well, a ticker symbol I have for you guys that you want to add to your watch list is GNUG, guys. A lot of people have not noticed this very much, but this stock has actually had some strength at these lows. So let's look at it from the 30-minute time frame. You could see that as it pulled downwards, right, it was in a bearish trend. It's had its spikes, and it hit lows here of about $10, ran up to 15 almost, and started pulling downwards. And so far, the lowest point that it reached was 1070s, and it's bounced back up, and its solid point has been right up here around 11 to 1120 in that area, kind of bouncing off of that every single time. It just hit 1097, bounced off of it, and it's at 1184. And this stock, if it continues with this consolidation, it's a great point to actually get more knowledge on the stock and maximize on the opportunity, because analysis ratings are pointing this to the upside. And by getting more information on this stock, you'll be able to understand it. But something that the chart is showing is strength. And if it does break through the 10s, the opportunity is even becoming even larger. And it won't be a new low until it breaks through 1010, guys. So that is important to keep in mind. Anything below 1010 is a new low. Anything above it, it's just getting closer to it, making the opportunity even bigger for when this does start to turn around. And the momentum to the upside is presenting itself as an opportunity, especially with the strength that it's been through all this volatility and not breaking through $10, staying above it. It could break through it, making the opportunity larger, but for now it has shown strength. And right now, based off the chart and all the research that I've done and analysis ratings, they're pointing this one to the upside from these levels. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below on this one. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.